AI in building a Viksit Bharat by 2047. India is not merely a country. It is a civilization that has inspired the world for thousands of years. From the snow-covered mountains of Kashmir to the serene backwaters of Kerala, from the sacred waters of the Ganga to the temples, monasteries and historical monuments that reflect our rich heritage, India represents unity in diversity. As we move towards 2047, when our nation will celebrate 100 years of independence, every Indian shares one dream: to build a strong, prosperous and developed nation, a truly Viksit Bharat. To achieve this dream, India must combine the wisdom of its ancient civilization with the power of modern technology. Artificial intelligence, AI, can become one of the most important tools in this journey. But India still faces many challenges: poverty, unequal access to quality education, healthcare shortages, environmental concerns, and difficulties faced by farmers continue to affect millions of people. AI has the potential to help overcome these challenges in ways that were unimaginable a few decades ago. Agriculture is the backbone of India. Our farmers feed the nation. Yet many still depend on uncertain weather conditions. AI can help farmers predict rainfall, detect crop diseases, manage water efficiently, and improve productivity. With better information and timely guidance, farmers can increase their income and strengthen India's food security. Education is another area where AI can bring revolutionary change. Many talented students in villages and remote areas do not have access to quality learning resources. AI-powered learning platforms can provide personalized education in multiple Indian languages. A student sitting in a small village can learn from the best educational resources available in the country. This will help transform India's youth into skilled innovators, scientists, entrepreneurs, and leaders. AI can also improve healthcare by assisting doctors in early diagnosis and treatment. Through telemedicine and AI-based health systems, quality medical care can reach even the most remote parts of the country. Similarly, AI can create new opportunities for women by providing access to education, digital skills, entrepreneurship, and employment. A developed India can be built only when every daughter is empowered to achieve her full potential. As students and young citizens, we have a special responsibility. India possesses the largest youth population in the world. If we use technology wisely, our youth will become our greatest strength. AI can help us solve local problems, develop innovative solutions, protect the environment, and contribute to nation building. The future of India will not be decided by machines alone, but by the young minds that create and use them. AI can also help preserve our cultural heritage. Ancient manuscripts, regional languages, folk traditions, and historical monuments can be digitally preserved for future generations. AI can assist in protecting the Ganga, conserving natural ecosystems, and promoting India's cultural richness across the world. However, technology must always be guided by values. India's civilizational ideals teach us compassion, responsibility, and the welfare of all. AI should be used ethically and responsibly so that its benefits reach every section of society. In conclusion, artificial intelligence can become a powerful partner in building a Viksit Bharat by 2047. By combining technological innovation with the energy of our youth, the strength of our farmers, the aspirations of our women, and the timeless values of our civilization, India can emerge as a global leader. When the wisdom of our past joins hands with the technology of the future, no dream is beyond our reach. Jai Hind. Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Thank you so much.